2003 Chevy Suburban. What we got done on it. Still got the stock converters, or actually they're aftermarket. One here, somebody else did it. Then it winds into a single. Then we wide it back out to a 3-inch to 2.5-inch dual system with flat tips. Right there. Old mandrel bit. Let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. There they are right there. That's how you dual them out. With the flat tips. He had the wide trailer hitch, so we had to put them on the sides. Let you guys hear it in a minute. That sounds mean. Mean Gene. That's when you get high flow cats on it, that's how they sound differently. The aftermarket cats, they change the whole sound of them. Sounds phenomenal. Let you guys hear on the inside.